Welcome to Behind the Screen, the mystery of faceless wealth. Every month, thousands of content creators are born into the digital sphere, and an intriguing lot amongst them remain faceless, quietly weaving narratives and churning out valuable information without revealing their identity. We dive deeper into the hidden world of these invisible storytellers who earn up to $15 per month. But how are they doing this? How are they creating engaging content without using their face or voice? The secret? Cutting edge AI tools. Specifically, in-video AI, which breathes life into words and transforms them into visually captivating videos. This faceless army doesn't need expensive equipment, a studio, or editing skills. Their tool? Just a laptop, an idea, and an AI companion. They capitalize on Instagram Reels, YouTube, TikTok, blogs, and more, diversifying their content over multiple platforms to maximize their reach. This faceless revolution is appealing to those who prefer staying in the shadows, focusing solely on delivering quality content. Welcome to the new age of content creation, where success